So how do you actually build self-confidence with public speaking? I mean, it sounds counterintuitive, right? One would think, well, in order to public speak, I need confidence. But very few people would say that public speaking breeds self-confidence. In fact, one of the things that people struggle with is the confidence to get started. In fact, the self-confidence to actually take that very first step. And a lot of people say, look, Ben, I'd love to go out there and do X, Y, Z, but I'm just not confident. And maybe if I actually go out there and do some public speaking, what if no one's actually interested in what I'm talking about? And so what ends up happening is people have a real reluctance to actually do the thing that gives them the power. Now, what I know is simply this: confidence comes from competence. I'm going to repeat that. You might want to write that down. Confidence comes from competence. See, I remember a long time ago that I had no idea how to dance. In fact, I was the least confident person in dancing whatsoever. I would avoid school socials at all costs. I was terrified of the process of going anywhere where someone might be dancing. And then one day I decided to get some competence around dancing. So I actually got a Michael Jackson video clip, and I had it on my VCR so I could pause it and rewind it. And I watched this video clip over and over and over again. And step by step by step, I slowly taught myself one of the dance routines from his video clip. It took me a couple of months to do it, but I got to tell you, once I developed the competence of dance, I felt significantly confident in dancing. Cut a long story short, I did not go to the year 8 social, but in the year 9 social, I actually won the dance competition by breaking out and busting out this Michael Jackson routine. So this is what I learned a long time ago, is that if you're not confident in something, the only way you'll ever find the confidence is to do the thing. As the saying says, do the thing, you'll have the power. You learn to play the flute by playing the flute. You learn to swim by swimming. You learn to dance by dancing. And you learn to public speak by public speaking. In fact, there's a saying out there that says, amateurs practice until they get it right, professionals practice until they can't get it wrong. So what we know is that the professionals are confident in what they do because they are so well practiced that they can't get it wrong. The other thing is they follow a proven structure. And once they know that structure inside and out, it allows them to feel incredibly comfortable in what they're doing. But let's face it, the first time you do anything, you're not going to be comfortable doing it. But the more you do it and the more competent you become, the better you will get. So if there's anything I know about you becoming confident as a public speaker, it's you just have to do the thing. As Nike says, just do it. Confidence comes from taking action. So what I know is this: if you'd like to develop your competence so you can actually be more confident in your public speaking, then have a look at the webpage and check out the event we have coming up. We're going to be sharing some of the best strategies known on planet Earth right now, used by over 150 of the world's best presenters and leaders, to actually go out there and confidently present their message through a skill set of competence following a very specific structure. So here's what I know is this: if you put your details down below, pop along to the event or visit our website, authenticeducation.com.au, and on the homepage there, it'll actually have the event that I'm talking about ready to go. And just jump along and come along to the program, because at this program, we will show you the proven formulas that allow you to develop your competence and thus become confident. Until we meet again, share your light, live your love, and do whatever it takes to be your own best friend. Bye for now.